Cody Meyer here, making it shift and tick. This is part 2 video of the 14 Nissan Versa with a 2.5. The problems we're having with this will also relate to other Nissans, one of them being a Rogue with this engine. Anyways, it had a timing correlation code and it had a misfire. And I went ahead, I showed in part 1 where these was located, which one was for what cam. And we went ahead and got the exhaust out, and I'll show you why the timing's off on this thing. It's a mechanical failure. If you want to check these electronically, if you look in the top of them, there's 2 prongs. What you do is get you a meter, and you can run it on ohms, and you can check the ohms resistance across this. You need to be anywhere between 7 and 12. Between 7 and 12 will be a good spec. Oh, we got a leaker. But if you look at the valve in this, we can pay attention from this tab. But this is your control valve. This controls the oil flow. If you look right here at my thumbnail on the very bottom, you can see a small crack in between the valve and this landing. All right. If you look at this, the opposing side, you can see that it's closed. Well, if we look at a new one, starting at the tab, if you look, the crack is on the opposite side. You can see where the valve's located. We got a crack on this side, and we're closed on this side. If you look at this one, we're open on this side and closed on that side. This valve is stuck. We could clean this up with brake cleaner and move this valve back and forth and maybe get it freed up and change the oil and might get some more life out of it. But there's a chance that the bore is damaged, so we could just have an issue where this would stick again. So for the price, you know, these are anywhere between $60 to $80. Coolies, you can get them from Rallies, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. They all carry these. These are a common part. But we'll just go ahead and replace it with a new one. But you can see how the valve has mechanically failed. It is stuck. So you look and you can see that it's stuck in the wrong direction, and it's letting the oil flow at idle into the phaser, and it's knocking the timing off. So we'll go ahead and put this in there and change the oil, and it's going to take care of the problem with this one. Thanks for watching.